Leslie, just in the last 30 minutes, we got these new courtroom sketches into our newsroom of Kilmar Abrego Garcia from the hearing this afternoon. Now, tonight, as you mentioned, Leslie, we learned that his next hearing is a week from today. But tonight, United States Attorney General Pam Bondi called him a danger to our community, accusing him of trafficking guns, drugs, women, and children.
This was his full-time job, not a contractor. He was a smuggler.
Kilmar Abrego Garcia is back in the United States and now facing criminal charges in what the government called an administrative error. He was deported to a prison in El Salvador in March. Last month, he was indicted by a grand jury, and Friday, the two-count indictment was unsealed. It lists two charges: conspiracy to transport aliens and unlawful transportation of undocumented aliens.
He made over 100 trips. This defendant trafficked firearms and narcotics throughout our country on multiple occasions.
It was filed in Tennessee, where Abrego Garcia was stopped by law enforcement in 2022.
How many rows have you got in here? 4? Where? 4 seats? 4 rows of seats?
In police body camera footage, you can hear the officer ask him about the number of seats. Investigators say he was driving a van with 8 other men in the car. None of them had ID.
Nothing illegal?
Nothing, sir.
No drugs or anything?
No herb, nothing illegal.
He wasn't charged with anything at the time. When asked what changed, why is he being charged now?
What has changed is Donald Trump is now president of the United States and our borders are again secure.
She says the accusations are disturbing.
A co-conspirator alleged that the defendant solicited nude photographs and videos of a minor. A co-conspirator also alleges the defendant played a role in the murder of a rival gang member's mother.
This just makes crystal clear what we've been saying, frankly, for the past 2 months, is that they've been playing games with the court.
His legal team tonight calling the accusations absurd.
That almost all of the information they have comes from 2 supposed co-conspirators, both of whom have already been federally prosecuted and who are likely sitting in a federal prison somewhere. So the very first question I'm going to be asking is, what were those 2 people offered to make up these really fantastic, hyperbolic allegations against Mr. Abrego Garcia?
Now, Bondi says if he is convicted, he'll serve his time in the U.S. and then be sent back to El Salvador. Now, his attorney, as you heard him say, they plan to fight this every step of the way. Leslie.
All right, Katie.